Germany in the late 1950s was riding the wave of post-war industrial rebirth. The Autobahn. Smooth, fast, and gloriously free of speed limits. Was becoming a symbol of national pride. Long-distance driving was now common for both business and leisure. But there was one very German problem. You couldn't drive 600 kilometers without a decent cup of coffee. Enter the Volkswagen Type 2. Also known as the VW Transporter or Kombi. Popular with families and traveling workers alike, it was versatile, but not exactly luxurious. So, in 1959, a specialty version was offered in select European markets with what might be the most unexpected factory-installed option ever. A DIN rail-mounted, dashboard-integrated coffee machine made by Herteller Auto Kaffeemaschine. The Herteller Auto Kaffeemaschine was the first in-car coffee maker designed to operate on 12 volts directly from the car's electrical system. Mounted to the dashboard, it featured a small water reservoir, a filter compartment for ground coffee, a heating element, a chrome serving spout, an optional cup holder bracket, all in a form factor no larger than a glovebox radio. It brewed a single cup of coffee at a time. And yes, it took a while. But on a cold German morning, that didn't matter. The idea wasn't entirely frivolous. In post-war Europe, roadside cafes were still rare, especially outside cities. Gas stations didn't always offer refreshments, and highway rest stops weren't yet what they are today. For traveling salesmen, delivery drivers, and long-haul motorists, a hot cup of coffee on the go was revolutionary. Greater Than and the Germans, being Germans, engineered it into the car. Safely, efficiently, and with ceramic cups included. Surprisingly, yes. By 1950s standards. The machine included a fuse system to prevent overheating, a pressure release valve, a locking mechanism so it wouldn't brew while the car was moving, unless bypassed by clever drivers. Of course, modern crash safety testing might take issue with boiling water on your dashboard, but hey. It was the 50s. Only a small number of Herteller-equipped VW vans were ever sold, making surviving units extremely rare collector items today. The original machine is now considered the first in-car appliance, predating in-car fridges, microwaves, and even cigarette lighters as a plug-in feature. It's inspired countless retrofit coffee builds in van life and restomod communities. In 2013, Fiat cheekily revived the idea with the Fiat 500L Lavazza edition, which featured a removable espresso machine integrated into the center console. The Herteller coffee machine wasn't just a novelty. It was a tiny act of genius, solving a very real problem for an entire generation of European drivers. Today, when you sip a travel mug of espresso while driving your modern hybrid SUV, remember, Volkswagen did it first. With porcelain and style.
Like and subscribe for more fascinating automotive tales.